My name's Dr. Michael Mashura. I'm a board-certified orthopedic surgeon with subspecialty training in sports medicine, and I practice at HC Florida Biscayne Bay Orthopedics. I practice general orthopedics with a subspecialty in sports medicine. Most of my patients are very active. They've had some sort of injury doing the sport or activity that they love and are hoping to get back to where they want to be. It's my job to get them there as quickly as possible. I perform general orthopedics with sports medicine, so anywhere from the elbow to the shoulder, hip, knee, ankle, so pretty much all of the extremities. My subspecialty training is in sports, so by nature it's mostly shoulder and knee. That's where most of the injuries occur, so there's not really a surgery for the shoulder or the knee that I don't feel comfortable and that I don't do in my practice. I think patients choose me because they know that I'm gonna put in the time to develop that relationship, and I enjoy every visit. Once we're done discussing whatever has brought the patient in, getting into some of the lighter things and really getting to know a patient and their background. One of the most satisfying things in my field is in orthopedics, you have a left and a right. So when a patient, you've done something for them on their left side and they return for the same thing on the right side, that's very honoring to me as a surgeon.